Today we will demonstrate the Easty PRS all-in-one roll-to-sheet cutter. First, we secure the cutting material by fastening screws on both sides to hold it in place. Next, we place it on the feeding rack and secure the feeding shaft. The process begins by feeding the material through the silicone roller and passing it through the tension roller. And around the material roller. It goes through the vertical cutting blade and then move forward through the spring feeding roller and finally passes through the horizontal cutter section to complete the cut. It's crucial to keep the material straight and taut. When pressing the feeding button, ensure the material is straightened and laid flat. Lower the spring feeding roller to ensure that all 3 points form a straight line, preventing deviation and maintaining accuracy. And next, we will set up the circular blade. We lift the upper roller and use a blade to cut a small gap on the step side of the lower cutters. There are 3 upper cutting blades positioned here. Then we press down the upper roller, bringing the upper blades close to the lower blades. Apply a bit of force to push the cutting blade in by 0.1 to 0.2 mm. Then tighten it securely. The necessary tools are provided. On the other hand, this is for adjustment of power and speed of the circular blade. After turning on the switch, we can set the speed to maximum. Now let's check the parameter setting. Input the cutting length. For example, 80 mm. On the second page of parameters, if you are not using a photoelectric sensor, simply maintain the value at 0. Next, we set the speed parameters for demonstration, as well as the number of the cuts. For example, cutting 15 pieces. We will first trim the excess material at the front. Then press the green start button. After that, we can adjust the speed and set it up to 80. And then confirm. We can also set a faster speed, such as 200, to cut 50 pieces and observe the demonstration. Additionally, we can adjust the cutting speed. For instance, setting it to 1000 allows for fast feeding but slow cutting. The fastest setting for the cutter is 5000 and its speed remains constant. The feeding speed primarily adjusts the up and down movement of the tension rod. Ensure the tension rod does not drop to the bottom or rise too high. If the line is flashing continuously, it indicates that the feeding speed is too fast. We can slightly reduce the speed until the line flashes occasionally. Observe the tension rod's operation. It should move within a moderate range without reaching the highest or the lowest point. This ensures that the material remains under stable tension, allowing for constant speed and cutting stability. The PRS roll-to-sheet cutter can handle a wide range of materials. If you would like to learn more, feel free to contact us.